Hey everybody, this is my first time doing a video like this, and what I've got for you today is I'm going to do an unboxing of my new Tenor electric ukulele. Tenor Guitar Works is located in South Africa and run by brothers Brian and Mark Tenor. They specialize in solid body electric ukuleles and tenor guitars. Although they sell some ready-made through their Etsy shop and their website, they're very happy to do custom work. And so I contacted Brian Tenor last May. It's January right now, and asked if he would be willing to do a an instrument, a tenor ukulele, based upon the Ovation Breadwinner Deacon body, and he was very happy to do that for me. It's been a long time coming. I sent Brian some reference material and worked with him to come up with the specs for the ukulele. And I'm going to admit that I cheated a little bit and found photos of this on their website earlier today. But I haven't seen it, and I am just super excited. I found Tenor some time ago when Adam mentioned it to me, and thought, oh yeah, electric ukulele, I would love to have something like that. So I picked one of their ready-made instruments. Most of the time, or most of the instruments in their catalog are based on electric guitars from another company whose name begins with F. And so I picked up a Tenor Exosphere, and I've got it sitting right here by me. Let me hold it up for you to see, and you can guess what electric guitar this is modeled after. And it's just a wonderful little instrument. And so I thought, hey, I'm going to treat myself. And I've been a long time Ovation fanatic of sorts. And here we go. Wow. It's been a long time coming. But I'm sure, based on my experience with the Exosphere, that this will be worth the wait. Ah, so much bubble wrap. But when it's coming all the way from South Africa, you want it to be wrapped well. I think I about got it. Woo! By the way, I'm going to put the links to Tenor's YouTube and website and Etsy shop down below in the description of this video, so you can check them out for yourself. Getting close. The ukulele comes with this case, and according to their website, it's made by a lady who lives not far from their shop, and it's not really padded quite so much. I mean, if you're going to be a gigging musician, you may want to find something else to put this in. Actually, this is padded better than the bag that my Exosphere came with. And here we go, folks. Oh yes, she is a beauty. Look at that. And to It's got a mahogany body, a maple neck, Wenge fretboard, P90 humbucking pickups, hip shot tuners, and my gosh, I'm going to let you take a look at this. Look at, it's got a nice sunburst finish. Have a look at that. And just for comparison, here's my my Ovation Deacon 12-string. There we go. The headstocks, Brian was a little concerned about copying the Ovation headstock, so he didn't do that exactly. This is more of a standard headstock for them, but he did go ahead and Ovation-like staggered the tuners. Wow! It feels really lovely. Feels really good. I'm sure it's going to need some tuning. Yes! Ha ha ha! I love it. I love it already. So that's it. Check out the links down below. Take a look at Fanner's website if you play ukulele. Yes. And check out their videos on YouTube. And hopefully they're going to have something soon. Maybe you'll find the photos of this under their news page. And yeah, Fanner Guitar Works, Fanner Parson, #1. Nobody else has one of these right now but me. I'm going to hold it up close to the camera one more time. You get a chance to take a look once more. And there we go. Look at that burst. Yes. With that, I'm going to wish you a pleasant evening, and I'm going to play some ukulele.